Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can also use the autofill handle to copy formulas across rows and down columns. Because a formula is not the start of a standard series, when you use the autofill handle on a selected formula cell, it copies the formula to the range of cells over which you click and drag. To do this, select the cell that contains the formula to copy to adjacent cells. Then roll the upper left corner of your cell selector icon, which looks like a chunky white cross, up into the fill handle, which looks like a small square in the lower right corner of the selected cell, until the mouse pointer turns into a thin black cross. Once it does this, then click and drag down the column or across the row to copy the formula in the selected cell to the other cells over which you click and drag.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.